We at Deconium Data enable our clients to generate value from their data. What we've observed is that many companies struggle to understand what to do with their data, or they did start and don't really know how to continue. This is where our Discovery Jam comes into play. In essence, this workshop is designed as an exchange format where we map your strategies and existing resources with our ideas how to turn raw information into valuable insights. Depending on where you're at the analytics continuum, we start with a shorter or longer introduction to the 4 main patterns of how data-informed companies leverage information from their hardware, internal processes, customers or partners to gain a competitive edge. With all the buzz that ChatGPT, DALL-E and Midjourney have created in the past year, we'll also make sure to include a no-nonsense input into how machine learning, computer vision, natural language processing and generative AI may assist in creating value from data and what potential risks are. Then it's all about you. How do you run your business? Where do you struggle? And where would you like to get better? What's your future vision and what is currently under development? We have done these types of assessments a few times and have handy frameworks to help cut to the chase and document your current status. Then we get to the most fun part of the workshop. In mixed teams, we collect opportunities and ideate potential use cases. Depending on the scope, we build on methods like design sprints or design thinking, Lego serious play or improv theater. We then come together, share our concepts and decide on the most promising use cases. Of course, not every workshop follows this strict path, and we might decide on the way to take a detour. And we also want to make sure that we really get to know each other on a personal level, and we make sure that we have space for that. You'll come out the other way of the workshop with hands-on experience how to create your own data products. We also learned whether we all sync well and should draft a more concrete plan how to turn you two into a data-informed company. To come up with something useful for you, we need you to bring people who know about your business strategy and market needs, and people who know about your IT infrastructure and also know what's planned there. We'll make sure we'll bring a multidisciplinary team of a data architect, 1 or 2 data and AI experts, a business or service designer, and a legal engineer. We can do this in half a day, but we'd prefer a full one. And whether that's remote, hybrid, or on-site is up to you. See you soon!